This is a slide of the adrenal gland, also known sometimes as the suprarenal gland. The current magnification is 20x total magnification. What we'll be looking for are the different layers inside the gland, as well as any distinguishing features. So what we're going to do is take a look at what we see on this overview to start with. We have an outside, which is this, and an inside, which is this. This inside area right here is referred to as the adrenal medulla. This outside goes around here, comes down here. All of that is the adrenal cortex. And the very edge is the capsule that's going to enclose this entire gland. Now, zooming in, we can see that this middle part right here is the medulla. The medulla is going to produce two different hormones that are kind of important, epinephrine and norepinephrine. As you move beyond the medulla, the first layer you come to, you can see it's a little more of a reddish tinge here. This layer right here is known as the Zona Reticularis. The Zona Reticularis is going to produce a grouping of hormones known as the Kinetic Corticoids. If we move a little bit more towards the surface and bring this down like this, we're going to see that this layer right in here, so it's a little more superficial than this reddish tinge, this layer right here is going to be the Zona Fasciculata. Now this Zona Fasciculata is going to produce a grouping of hormones known as the glucocorticoids. Now above that, this top layer, which you see is a little more broken up here, this is going to be the Zona Glomerulosa. The Zona Glomerulosa, which is right up here, is going to produce the grouping of hormones known as the mineral corticoids. So we actually have three different zona all in the cortex here. We have the deepest layer down here called the Zona Reticularis, then the middle zona called the Zona Fasciculata, then this most superficial layer called the Zona Glomerulosa. So if you zoom back out, you can see the whole thing here. Medulla is in the middle, so adrenal medulla. Then you have the thin layer coming around. This is going to be the Zona Reticularis. With the next layer out here, this is going to be the Zona Fasciculata. With this outside layer and a very outside edge is the Zona Glomerulosa.